Good morning, y'all. We are at the gas station right now. We're about to go to Lincoln City. Prices are crazy. I'm really excited. Me and my girlfriend are gonna hike God's Thumb. So stay tuned for that, guys. Can't go to the beach without coffee, huh? Especially if you live at the Pacific Northwest. Let's hit the road. We got, it says 2 hours and 103 miles. I think we got it. We can do it. Hopefully no bathroom breaks. We barely made it. Almost peed ourselves in the process. But we made it. Now we're gonna go enjoy our favorite spot.
Ooh, I wanna go in there.
Look at those starfish. Dude. What are these called? Sea clams? I don't think they're called sea clams. Mussels? Oh shoot, almost in my head. There's just a whole wall of them. Look at this seaweed, no way. Dude, I've never actually touched seaweed before. Dude, that is so cool. People like make apparently like seaweed pickles out of this. I haven't been here in a year. I'm glad to be back at Lincoln City. It's so beautiful out here. It's so worth it. It's really worth it. That's what we're hiking over there. That is God's Thumb. You're right. Crazy times. Hi, buddy. How you doing? What's your name?
Stop! It didn't move. Oh, that moved.
You know they're poisonous, right? I'm kidding.
Stop, don't do this. They're big.
Yeah, they're
Literally
huge.
the size of my hand, look at that.
Oh, we got a hole. That's a good comparison. Literally the size of my hand too. What you want to do now?
I don't know. It is 9:39.
Hiking routes to the heck.
I don't know. You should fake for her. No, on the top, dumbass.
Oh.
Honestly. Skinny
We're
yarn.
here. Let's start.
This
You
is
ready?
all we're gonna see
For how long?
for about 4 hours.
Nuh-uh.
Yep.
No way.
Yep.
It's a 4-mile round trip. We're not gonna see just
I don't like how this
trees.
is all down.
Bro, we just started the hike and we are already going at a good slope. It's a pretty good
My
slope.
thighs hurt.
It's really beautiful though. But it's a very strong slope already. And it's gonna get worse from here?
Yep.
I should have done like at least a week of Stairmasters before starting this. At least.
We had a
But
whole
I
month.
didn't. We had a whole month to prepare. No Stairmaster, no nothing, and now we gotta do this for 4 hours.
Let's turn back now.
Turn back?
We saw the view, come on.
No, what view? We didn't even get to God's Thumb yet. The trees are beautifully tall. Very tall.
Yeah.
This feels like back home, honestly.
Like
Feels like,
Lacamas.
yeah, it feels like Lacamas Lake. We got a little slug out here. Blackberries. This is not the first one that we have come across. This is like, what, the 10th one? It rained like last night, so today it hasn't rained at all, but it's still trying to dry up. And like I said, there's literally another one. And plus there's like so much people here today. There's a lot of people.
It muddier.
And everybody's just making it muddier by stepping in it. So that's where we're at right now. Literally a whole car was through here. This is just a puddle. She has to go through the bag to even make it. Oh no. Wild. The things we do for hiking.
Go first.
Me?
Yes.
Me first?
Yes. Go.
Camera doesn't look that bad.
Told you.
But in
steep.
person, it's really
That's
steep.
why I
It's
said,
like
are you
this
sure?
right now, guys. Keep going. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Dude, right now we're at a very, very steep spot. You can feel it in your glutes. You can feel it in your calves. This girl has stopped like 20 times already. I've stopped maybe the same amount of times. I'm guilty. This feels good. And this feels very refreshing.
It's not a hill anymore.
I don't think it's good that at our age we are running out of breath like this fast. I think it's a sign when we get back into town we gotta hit the gym, babe. Her heartbeat is actually insane.
That's why I say, I'm like, I don't care how many breaks they take. And babe, I only ate a sandwich today.
I had a bowl of cereal and a sandwich. The mud is crazy out here. We haven't seen a bear or anything, so that's a good sign. We ain't gonna die at least today from a bear. Look at this plant. I have no clue what this is, but this looks really weirdly cool. Bless you. There was an echo.
That was loud.
It's gonna be so worth it once we actually get up there. Like I'm telling you, this plant is everywhere. It's so cool.
Babe.
It's actually very beautiful.
Don't fall.
I know, I almost tripped there. You can actually see the horizon.
Babe.
That's insane. Oh, it's getting windy. You got it in your hand? Finally.
There's still so much.
Wow, that's beautiful. Alright, we got this famous, whatever you want to call it, trail to God's thumb. Dude, it's so good. You ready? Today's our 2-year anniversary, and I only just now found out that she's actually scared of heights. After 2 years of knowing this girl. Gets you through this. Oh, no way, I remember this part. Wow. You got it, baby. You got it, baby.
My legs are going.
This is where you want to hold on to the sides.
Babe, I'm gonna.
Do your shoes have traction?
Kind of.
Hold on to the sides. Bro, we're in the trenches, babe. Legit, we're in the trenches.
I don't wanna.
Baby,
I don't wanna.
you got it. You got it. You can do it. No way. Baby. Okay, go down. Go down. Just go down. Just go down.
No, but it's so nice.
It is nice, but if you want the whole view, you gotta sacrifice a little bit of fear. Bro. You can do it. Just hold on to the grass. Just hold on to the
I
grass.
feel like that's not gonna be enough.
That will be enough, actually. As long as you don't, like, rip it out the ground.
That's what I'm not doing. It feels like I'm gonna.
You got
It's
it.
gonna take me.
It's okay. It's okay. We got it. We're slowly going up.
I don't care about bugs anymore right now.
Now you're not scared of bugs, huh? You can do it.
Babe.
Come on, come on. Give me your hand. No? No, come. We made it. She
Like
made
my
it.
hands.
It's okay. It's okay. You made it. You made it. And now we get to sit and relax.
See you, sir. I gotta.
Let's go. We're going. Just take it slow. I mean, I got better traction, so.
My butt is getting all muddy. I don't care. It's my life.
On the line here, huh?
Yes. I really don't care.
Wow. You guys, look at this. This is very steep. I wonder who built these trenches.
Yeah, I wonder. Ah!
Bro, I thought that was a seagull. You know, literally, I thought it was a seagull. After all, we're out here on the coast.
Am I almost done?
2 more feet to go. Look at that.
Wait, if I just get up, I feel like I'm fine. Ah!
Alright.
Okay.
It's a lot easier. It's a lot easier from here now.
Wait, why didn't we go the other way?
I didn't know there was another way.
No, we took the most difficult way.
I thought the trenches were the only way. She's running so fast. She just wants to get out of here. I haven't seen one in years.
I've never seen one before.
Never?
What is it? I wish you. Is today still?
What?
Is today?
Of course.
The wind. I think the wind is just the beat.
Oh,
Look at the fire.
God damn.
Oh. Hold on to it. Damn!
There we go. That's what I'm talking about. Just look at that now. Going back to the car to get some firewood because the first 2 bundles are gonna go by pretty fast. So it'd be smart to bring down the 3rd. Man, I'm tired. I've done the hike. We're going back and forth on the beach from the car. I'm so tired. I'm gonna sleep like a baby tonight. It's super windy out here today, like insane. It's super windy. So the fire's kind of burning fast, but it is what it is. At least we are enjoying our time out here. This one. Our sticks will be this one and this one. Everything else we gotta burn before we leave.
want you to take a video, an aesthetically pleasing video like this, babe. You know, like kind of like this, but when we're by the water.
2x?
Yeah.
That way.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, action. Yeah?
Do it over there.
What do you mean?
Put it over there. Dig down.
It's too far, don't you think?
Or right here.
It's so cold. It feels so good though.
There's gonna be one behind you. He is crazy, guys. I am literally shivering right now. I can't even feel my fingers. He is actually insane. He's gonna complain that his feet are cold.
Alright, this is where I play the act where I pretend that the water is not freezing just for the good footage. But man, this water's freezing! Oh my goodness. How you doing? You wanna go play with me?
No, not in the water. I'm freezing.
Thank you guys so much for watching. That's it for that video. It's the next day. I'm still trying to recover from the hike. It killed me. I haven't done something like that in a long time. So don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, comment, and there's going to be a lot more videos upcoming in the future. I have one coming up for Bonneville Dam because I'm about to go shad fishing this Saturday. So that's going to be a really nice YouTube video too. And that's everything. That's everything. See you guys soon.